I am Rochelle George, 26, all the way from Pindang Festival of the North, Mangaldan, province of Pangasinan. Welcome to my hometown, Mangaldan. As a pageant enthusiast, a makeup artist, a breadwinner, an active member of Gay Association of Mangaldan, and a sports lover. Mangaldan, officially the municipality of Mangaldan, is a first-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan, Philippines. It has a population of 113,185 people. Mangaldan have our own delicacies: pindang, tupig, and bibingka. And we have our own St. Thomas Aquinas Church, where you can visit on it. I believe that God is always there for us, no matter what problem and struggle comes in our life. Always put God first. Nothing is impossible if He is the center of your life. And also, we have our own town plaza here in Mangaldan. Mangaldan, officially the municipality of Mangaldan, is a first-class municipality in the province of Pangasinan. For a long time, up to the early 60s, Mangaldan has gained popularity in drama and music. It was well known for its zarzuela plays of Don Juan Biason, reflecting the spirit of the times, as well as comedians or moro-moro plays. And this is my hometown, Mangaldan, Pangasinan.